Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to tell you everything you need to know about Keyword Revealer, which claims to be the only SEO tool that you will ever need. But don't forget, as always, if you've got a question about the software, then please put a comment in the box below, and of course if you use the link in the description you can always get your money's worth. Let's get into it, shall we? Okay, so here we are on the dashboard of the Keyword Revealer. And to be honest, it's super simple. There's not really much that you need to know. I guess there's a slight learning curve in the sense of what the keywords do themselves, but you know, that information is all there for you. So it's super simple to be able to use this. All you have to do is simply type in a keyword in the keyword search. And then that way you can find out what are the keywords associated with it, or type in the subject, should we say. So in this case, I typed in the subject of NFTs, and then I got the most popular keywords associated with NFT. So in this case, you can see we've got NFT, we've got OpenSea, NFT meaning, lots of people search for that, NFT art. Again, a lot of people are searching for that. The most popular, obviously, is NFT itself. And then after that, we got OpenSea, which, for those who don't know, is an actual platform for NFTs. So it makes sense as to why that would be popular. Now, if you want to search more details about the thing itself, then it's super simple. All you have to do is click on it, and then it opens up over here and tells you all of the details regarding that specific search word. It will show you your keyword difficulty, which is really, really good, because then you will know whether or not it's a good keyword to use, because even if it's just the most searched one or the most used one, that doesn't necessarily mean it's a good one to use, because it's based on the difficulty of somebody else using it. If loads of people are using it, then there's so many out there that people aren't necessarily going to stumble across your one. Whereas if you use a more structured niche one that's got a lower difficulty or competition, shall we say, then you're more likely to get good results as well. So you kind of got to bear that in mind, I guess, as well. But basically, you know, in this case, let's look, if we click on it, you've got the difficulty of NFT is 61%, and then you've got OpenSea, which is 58%, but then the volume of the words 5.0 million and 7.5 million. So therefore, you know, you can see a difference there. You've got your different URLs. These are the top URLs that have these words. Okay, so, and you've got your domain authority, which is the higher it is, the stronger the domain of the page. So out of 100. So in this case, obviously Google is massively strong in terms of domain authority. So therefore, it's got a 99. You've got Apple there, which has got 100. But then you've got other ones like Discord, which again is well known, and it's got you know, the invite for OpenSea, which is probably the OpenSea Discord, but it's only got 93 because it's not as, you know, as big as Google, etc. You've got here the page authority. So again, the higher it is, the stronger the page out of 100. And then you've got these things here: the trust flow and the citation flow, and then finally we got the external links. Now all of these, I believe, are blurred out until you unless you go for the main plan. So therefore you have to upgrade your plan in order to be able to see those. And if you know what you're looking at and you want to look at those things, then you know it's worth doing. I believe on the free plan, which is what I'm on at the moment, just to be able to review this software, you can have 3 keywords a day. So I've already done a couple of keywords already. So all you do is literally pop it in a keyword search and then hit the button, and then it comes up with all of the details. There's also a keyword brainstorm here, which if we click on the keyword brainstorm, this is to discover, uncover long tail keywords. So you know, data pulled from Google itself. So let's type in paint, and then, or paintings. Let's type in paintings, and then we'll see what happens. See what comes up. So therefore, if your thing is thingy, and then, now this is basically just brainstorming what keywords you could possibly use and all that kind of thing. The other one is telling you exactly what is the structure of the keyword and the actual the level that it's at, and this one is kind of brainstorming other keywords that you can use. So it's a great way, if you no idea about keywords at all, then you can type in your subject here, and then you could get ones which are more likely to be successful than if you just use the top keywords, I guess is probably the way to thingy. But you've got you know, like this little brainstorming thing that comes up here. So you've got your paintings for beginners, paintings explained, paintings easy, paintings of hell I don't know why that comes up, paintings Elden Ring, painting for kids, kids. So these are all things that you can go down, the route you could go down to try and discover what keywords you want to use, essentially. So it's a little brainstorming, a little bit of a thing. So if we click, for instance, painting for beginners, so therefore paintings is my first one, and then I think, okay, what do I want to say about paintings? Okay, paintings for beginners, let's see what the keywords are for that. So then do you want to find keywords related to paintings for beginners? So then you would say okay, and in this case then it would pop up basically, and it will be in the keyword search. So therefore you can have a little brainstorm as well. You can figure out what you're doing. So in this case we're just waiting for paintings for beginners to pop up, or it might not let me because I might have done too many today already. I think I've got to upgrade my plan in order to do that. So therefore, but again, it would come up here in this little section, and I could just click and I could view all the details just there. So basically, whether you want to do a brainstorming or whether you want to actually just get the keywords, the brainstorm is obviously so you can think of keywords associated with it. And then you've got your rank tracker, which is a premium feature as well. But this is really cool because this is to save time and money by automating the process of checking your keyword rankings. So they will automatically check them for you, and they will update them, and they will tell you your position in Google every single day. Which is brilliant, because that means that you don't have to worry about it too much. You can just log into dashboard and go, oh, actually, that one's a little bit off, then I can change it quickly, you know, that kind of thing. Because one of these things that with keywords and with SEO and with, you know, ads and stuff like that is there's a lot of trial and error. And this kind of takes a lot of the trial and error out because it will tell you what is wrong. So therefore, you can view your current rank, measure changes in the ranking since yesterday, last week, last month, or since you started the tracking a keyword. It's a rank tracker you've been waiting for. So basically, you've tracked the rank of a keyword all the way through. You've got your backlink analysis and your site analysis as well. So therefore, you can even analyze the site to see what your SEO is like on it, and your backlinks as well to find out, you know, simply enter your URL and identify all the new and lost backlinks. So therefore, you'll get referring links details with well-known metrics such as citation, trust flow to help with your link campaign. So basically, everything you need for SEO is all in this one little area just here. Now, in terms of the pricing, let's have a look at the pricing so we can see. You've got your keyword search, your rank keywords, brainstorming, save keywords, and all that kind of thing. And then it tells you all of your pricing structures here. You've got your free one now. As I said, you get 3 keyword searches a day. So, you know, if you're only a small business, you're just starting out, maybe you just want to rank a few products or whatever, something like that, you can do a keyword search. You can find out, you can do it all for free. It doesn't let you do domain keywords though. Your keyword suggestions, it will give you 50 daily. So therefore, you can also get 50 different keywords that you could search when you've done your 3 searches. But obviously, if you want to upgrade to your other plans, you've got your basic, your pro, and your elite, and it starts from $12.50, goes all the way up to $29.50, and it really just depends on what you want to get out of the software. Obviously, if you go for the elite, you've got the £30 a month, give or take, you know, 50 cents or 50 cents. You've got everything that comes in all of the other plans, every single thing. Whereas if you go for, you know, just the basic, for instance, then you miss out on ranked keywords daily, you miss out on ranked keyword suggestions daily, you miss out on the site analysis daily, the rank tracker mobile, and the exact match domain finder, and the bulk upload keywords. So you miss out on quite a lot by simply going for the cheaper option. And if this is something that you really want to use in your business, then it's something that you don't want to, you know, spare any money on. Essentially, you want to make sure, because SEO is one of the hardest things to get right, and there's people out there who are experts at doing this, and just by using this software you too can become one of those experts, and that way you don't have to pay someone lots of money to do it. You can actually do it all through this software program. But anyway, that's it for the keyword revealer. Let me know what you think in the comments. So there you are, that is the keyword revealer. The thing I like about it is that it seems that everything is all in the one place. Now, I don't know a massive amount about SEO, but just by simply doing a keyword search and then being able to get those, you know, specific keywords that I know are going to perform well, then that's a great thing. I also like the fact that it's got a competition tracker. So therefore you can see if that keyword is going to be worth using because of the amount of competition that's already using it. Because, as I said, it's all very well using the same keywords, the ones that rank highly, but if there's a lot of people using those same keywords, then it normally means that it's going to be even harder to find like a needle in a haystack of your information. So therefore, if you use slightly niche keywords, but they still have a good high ranking, then you're more likely to get, you know, a better outcome from it. Anyway, I digress. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, don't forget, in the comments below, if you've got any questions or anything like that, then feel free to put them in the box. And of course, make sure to follow the link so that way you get your money's worth. Thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye for now.